20s, here's how you can actually make money in 2025. In this video, I'll share with you the 3 simple steps to follow if you are really serious about making money in your 20s. These 3 steps are the steps I followed myself to become financially free today, and anyone who can follow these 3 simple steps will definitely see results. So without wasting your time, let's get into these 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to get your capital. Now, when I say get your capital, what I mean is that you need to make some money to make more money. Some of you might be thinking or saying that, where will I see money when I actually need to make money? Now, before I started my business, I had some money as capital already, and this made it easy for me to start. For example, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you already know that I started saving money on apps like Carry and Piggyvest since 2018. And when it was time for me to start my YouTube channel in 2020, I took out of my savings to get recording equipment. My savings was my capital. Now, I know the next thing you might want to ask is, where did you get the money you were saving since 2018? Now, in 2018, I was in 100 level, and in my 100 level in the university, I started affiliate marketing with Piggyvest and Carry. I was referring people to these 2 apps, and I was making a lot of money from them. And aside from these 2 apps, I was also referring people to other apps and websites where I was getting commissions. Now, this was my first source of income in the university, and I also got money from my parents as upkeep money in school. And I was also saving a part of this money. And when it was time for me to start crypto towards the end of 2018, I also used part of my savings as capital. So you can say that my savings really helped me. And after I started crypto in 2019, I even started saving my money in crypto too. And then in 2018 and 2019, I also did some pyramid schemes where they tell you to refer people to make money, or website where they tell you to read news and you make money when you read news or when you share a post on their website. All of these things were the things I did to make money, and I made a lot of money from them. Now, the good thing was that I was saving a large part of this money while I was making it. So it's not just about making the money, you need to be saving it till you have so much money to start something big. Also, if you say you can't do all of these things I've mentioned, you can get a side job that will pay you a salary, and then you save a part of that salary. Whichever one you want to do is up to you. So if you are still asking me where to get capital for yourself, here's a perfect example of myself that I've just given you. Now, another way you can get capital for yourself is to learn a skill and use the skill to make money to get capital for something bigger. And this is why I always talk about learning a skill in your early 20s. If you have a skill, you can easily turn it into something to make money for yourself. Trust me, if you are planning to do something big to make money, you will definitely need capital. And these are some of the ways you can get quick capital for yourself. No matter the kind of big business you want to start, you will need capital no matter how small. And this capital will definitely give you high leverage in the business. Now, whether you want to start dropshipping, you need capital. Whether you want to start crypto or forex trading, you need capital. Almost every online business today requires capital. And I'm talking about big online businesses. I mean, businesses that will bring you so much money. You need capital for them. So in summary, if you want to make so much money, the first step is to get your capital. Now, before I go into step 2, if you are getting something valuable from this video, please kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, the second step is to start a business. So at this point, if you follow step 1, you should have some capital with you. And with this capital, you can start a business. You can start content creation business. You can start crypto or forex trading. You can start drop shipping. You can start a clothing brand. You can turn your skill into proper business. There are different and multiple businesses you can start out there. But starting a business is not easy, and it can fail. After I saved a lot of money, I tried multiple businesses and most of them failed. And it's just normal, but I took some lessons from the businesses that failed. And these applies to you too. When you start a business and it's not going as planned, instead of giving up, just start all over again or re-strategize and get back up. And almost every successful businessman or woman you see out there did not become successful in their first try. Sometimes you might have to try multiple times before you hit the jackpot. And one thing I've learned is that to start a business, you need proper planning. You don't just start a business just because you have the capital. No, you start a business because you have plans and you know it's a viable business. That is a business that will definitely generate profits. And another thing about starting a business is that it gives you an experience that you cherish for life, whether the business fails or not. Now, so as not to waste your time in this video, I have a video on the best business ideas that you can start to make money for yourself. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. So that's for step 2, which is to start a business. Now, the third step is to invest your money. Now, to invest your money means to grow your money. And at this point, it means you are already making consistent income from your business. So it's time to grow that that money by investing it. And there are different ways you can invest your money. You can invest your money in stocks, in crypto, real estate, or even invest more in your business. And you can invest in hiring great talent into your business. You can invest in getting better at your skill. These are investments that can 10x your income. And I have videos on the best investment that you can do to make more money for yourself. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. So these are the 3 simple steps you can follow to make money for yourself in your 20s in 2025. Step 1, get your capital. Step 2, start a business. And step 3, invest your money. These 3 steps are simple but are not easy, and they require dedication and consistency. And remember, making money is a journey and not a destination. You might face some challenges along the way, but if you stay committed to these 3 simple steps, you will definitely see good results. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so as to stay updated with more content like this. And if you want to see the 7 lessons I've learned from crypto trading in 6 years, watch the video showing on your screen right here. And if you want to learn the 9 high income skills to make money, click the video showing right here. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.